Paalam na kami. Say bye-bye to Lime Resort. Papunta na kami ng Leo Airport. So, si Lester ang aming sundo. Lester, say hi!
Hi po!
Sige. Pagka nandito kayo sa El Nido, ibibigay ko sa inyo information ni Lester kung gusto niyo gamitin yung van niya para may pick up sa inyo. We're at Leo Airport. Ang magandang babae na sa tabi ko.
Hello!
Okay. Yan ang gubat na tinatawag. Oh. Maliit lang na buhaya. May mga monkeys dito. May mga monkeys dito ha. Tingnan, hanapin natin. Hanapin natin yung monkeys. Itong airport ng Leo. Okay. Bukas pa nito, maaga kami masyado. So we have 50 minutes para bago kami makapasok. Sarado pa ang airport. Kaya dito muna kami sa labas. It's kind of humid. But in a way, we had a great time here at El Nido. So any one of you who wants to come here, I think you'll enjoy it. Especially the island hopping, the beaches, they're all great. So maganda. So you know, enjoy it, and pag mayroon kayong chance makarating dito, I recommend it 100%. Hindi pa ako nakarating sa Coron, pero so far, you know, we stayed at Lime Resort, and I think it's one of the best one here. So, okay. Here's the waiting area. Waiting area ito ng Leo Airport. Ayan. Boarding area. Para Swiss Air. May cafe. Swiss Air. We're probably gonna wait another 2 hours here. That's late. We're not gonna get back to Manila probably till later than probably around 8 o'clock tonight. I'll let you know when get going again here. We'll see. They don't even know what time the plane's gonna arrive. They're thinking about another hour. Right. See you later. Bye. We are finally going. Well, the plane arrived about an hour late, so we're gonna be an hour late probably. So, but anyway, plane just arrived right there. The plane. Si Josie, okay ka na?
Seven, all the way down to the front.
Okay, we're actually in the plane.
Available in selected panels with an indicator. When this happens, insert a sharp object into the pinhole. Remove face mask. Grab the oxygen mask from the panel and pull it towards you. Then, put it over your nose and mouth. The cabin crew will assist you in administration of oxygen after decompression.
We're on the way to Manila. Yes. Thank you.